ma'am. My name is Nina, your butler. Welcome to Club Balay Isabel. Do you have any reservations here?
Yes, I have a reservation.
Do you want to carry your luggage?
Yeah, sure.
Please follow me to the reception area.
Okay. Hi, ma'am. Good morning. My name is Maisel, your receptionist. Do you have any reservation, ma'am? Yes, I have a reservation. Okay, ma'am. Can I get the confirmation number and one valid ID, please? Yes, it's my phone and it's my valid ID. Thank you, ma'am. Let me check it first. Okay, ma'am. Upon checking here, you reserved the deluxe room for 2 nights, and this is paid already using by your credit card. So, thank you, ma'am. This is your amount, and this is your validity. Okay, now this is your key card. Your room number is 305 and located in the third floor. And by the way, this is your personal butler. She's Nina, and she will guide you to the room. Thank you, ma'am, and enjoy your stay. You're welcome.
Hey, ma'am. My name is Nina, your personal butler. May I have your key card? Your room number is 305, located on the fifth floor. Now, we went to your room. Okay. Ma'am, let me introduce you the facilities of our hotel. First, we have a breakfast buffet located at the lobby. It starts at 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. And we have also here a swimming pool if you want to enjoy our swimming pool. It's located at the roof deck of our hotel. Hey, ma'am, we are here in the front of your room. Let me check it.
Okay, thank you.
Ma'am, I carry your luggage to the luggage room. Okay. Ma'am, do you want me to unpack your luggage? Yes, please. But do you prefer to hold or hand? Hold. Okay, ma'am, I can unpack your luggage. Okay, ma'am, let me introduce your room. As a first, we have a queen size bed. We have aircon. We have a remote to open your aircon to adjust the temperature and your lighting. And we have also here a television, like a TV. We have a little shampoo for her lahat. And a mini bar. We have a complimentary bathroom and other things, but if you have to visit some, we'll add it to your bill upon checking. And this is your bathroom.
Mamaya,
Shower for having
tabi ka sa tabi ng videographer para ano ang nilinis. Tabi ka ng videographer para nakikita ng
and we have also complimentary coffee and coffee. And we have here a telephone. If you want anything else, just press 1 to call the housekeeping and press 2 to direct to me. Again, ma'am, my name is Nina, your personal butler. Do you have anything else before I go?
Nothing. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am.